Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again, and today I am back with another car video and we would be cleaning the air conditioner filter of the car today. So the tools needed to do this job are relatively very simple. You almost don't need any tools. You just need an air blower. एक air blower चाहिए और कोई खास टूल्स नहीं चाहिए. आप इसको बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हो आपके कार में. मैं इसको डिस्प्ले करूंगा मेरे कार में विच इज़ एन ऑल्टो 800. सो इसमें तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. आपको आपके कार का थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा कि कहाँ से एयर फिल्टर खुलता है, and the rest of the job is simple. You just have to blow air in the reverse direction of the filter medium. Means the direction in which the air flows during the usage, उसके opposite direction से अगर ऊपर से नीचे एयर फ्लो होता है तो आप नीचे से ऊपर ब्लो आउट करेंगे डस्ट को, और फिर जब सारा डस्ट वहाँ से हट जाए उसके बाद आप हर डायरेक्शन से उसको ब्लो करेंगे, एयर ब्लो करेंगे और उसको साफ कर देंगे. Find your air filter to be very dirty and not in a state where it can be cleaned. Make sure that you replace the air filter. Air filters are to be at least replaced once in 2 to 3 years or say about 30 to 40,000 kilometers roughly. So अगर उससे कम है तो आप ये क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस यूज कर सकते हो आपके AC फिल्टर को क्लीन रखने के लिए. So let me quickly tell you what does the AC filter do in a car. So basically the air that comes in through your fresh air intake of the AC passes through the AC filter medium and the filtered air enters into the car. Other than that, if the car is running on a recirculation mode, the air that is present in the car also passes through this AC filter. So इस AC filter को साफ रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So बहुत सिंपल स्टेप है इसको क्लीन करने का. So जल्दी से चलते हैं and let's get started.
Alright guys, so to start off with opening the AC filter, we'll go inside the left hand side of the car, open the glove box, okay, and we have to press on the side. Here I press, same on the other side, pull it out this way. Okay, so by this the glove box is out. So once the glove box is out, we have to go inside, look inside. Okay, let me put up some light. Alright, so now that you see, so there's a clip on the left and the right, similar clip. Okay, so I'll just pull it outward and then pull the other side as well. So this is how it looks like. It has come out now and you can see the air filter sitting inside. So to just grab it out, don't apply too much pressure because it's a paper type filter, and that is how the air filter comes out. So you can clearly see it's quite dirty. You can see in the center, you can see in between the dirt. So we'll just blow air through this. So always check the airflow. The air flows from up towards down this way. So we will try to pressurize the air the other way around so that the dust comes off this way, and once everything is clean we can blow air on both the sides.
Alright guys, with that we come to the end of this video. Once the AC filter is completely clean, all you have to do is put it back into the car in the reverse order that we have removed it. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions regarding this process, shoot down a comment and I will answer you. Thanks again guys for watching the video and supporting the channel. Bye bye, take care.